Hi, and thanks for selecting this video. If you're watching, you're probably wondering, is NFTs Cracked worth it? Well, for just $27, I'd have to reply with a resounding yes, especially knowing that the price will increase to $47 after March 5th. I'm sure you've seen stories like this. Want to become a millionaire on NFTs? Do it right away. Or this one, just published earlier this month. NFTs can make you a millionaire. Or even this one where it's also just published recently. A 22-year-old self-made Filipino millionaire is now called the king of NFTs. So if you've ever thought about NFTs but didn't know where to begin, or you were turned off by the exorbitant prices of similar training or even NFTs themselves, then this is definitely for you. NFTs Cracked is a step-by-step, over-the-shoulder training on flipping non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. You don't have to be a digital artist to get involved. Anyone can now quickly get started. Inside, Demitrius shares how to find the right NFT collection at low cost and flip for massive return on investments. He gives personal examples of how he was able to obtain an NFT for just $11 and later sell it for $3,000. And you actually see him implement his strategies in the training in real time. Everything he used and did is revealed in an easy to understand manner. So who is Demitrius? Demitrius Papa is a successful online marketer who ventured into NFTs about a year ago. After testing several strategies with his own money, he's developed one that's consistently been working for him so much that he wanted to share it with others. What started as a personal passion project ended up being what we know it today, NFTs Cracked. And in this video, I'm going to quickly go over the front end, the one-time offers, and give you my final thoughts. So after purchasing the training, you'll have immediate access to the front end. It's a simple layout with all the videos located under the content column in the right hand side. The first couple of videos go over how to set up your accounts, but the real meat of the training starts with phase one. Phase one here, finding the next big NFTs. Phase 2 is finding rare NFTs after mint at low costs. And then the training continues with how you can, a method for quick profits, and then when to sell and when to hold, when to delist your NFTs. This section is pretty cool, in which he records his initial reaction to selling his first NFT, and then again at his second NFT, that's when you realize that you may have a strategy that really works. And then also finally he gives some advice on how to not get scammed or rug pulled when dealing with NFTs. I personally just completed training and found the information presented invaluable and well worth it. In fact, after completing the training and because of NFTs Cracked, I feel confident enough to get in on NFTs by myself in the next few days. So click on my affiliate link below to access this excellent training. When you're ready to check out, it will present a one-time offer purchase for $9.95 for a checklist. You can use this checklist to follow along with the training and then later use it while researching NFTs on your own. To get this offer, you need to make sure the box to the left of this coupon is clicked. It will increase your price by $9.95 and proceed with checkout. Now, after paying for the front end, you'll be presented with just two one-time offers. The first is NFTs Cracked Pro. This is a one-time payment of $37, and after March 5th, it will retail for $67. This is for those who want to possibly turn this into a source of income, essentially becoming an NFC broker. This gives you other marketplaces to 10x your profit margins on the Ethereum blockchain. The final one-time offer is to join his Inner Circle Club. This is for a one-time payment of $97. And after March 5th, it will actually become $37 per month. So, after 3 months, uh, this one-time payment of $97 will more than pay for itself. So this is actually something I highly recommend you pick up. Just $97, you'll have lifetime access to Demitrius' inner circle, where Demitrius shares his work and saves you time and effort when he shares the NFT collections he believes you should be looking at, and he'll also continue to share additional tips, tools, strategies, and insider tips he's gotten from other paid groups he's already a part of. Plus, you'll also have real-time access to him because you are a member of his inner circle group. Again, the price is a one-time payment of $97 versus the $37 per month after March 5th, or even a regular price of $197. This is something I highly recommend if you'd like Demitrius' opinions on current NFT collections that are available. So in conclusion, the price of admission alone is worth the information Demitrius provided in his personal passion project, NFTs Cracked. I mean, just for $27, you'll get a better understanding afterwards of how to find the right NFT collection and flip for a profit while avoiding being scammed and rug pulled. Demitrius presented everything in a concise, clear manner and really opened my eyes to the possibilities of flipping NFTs. Buy this training for just $27 while you still can. And that does it for this video. Please like and share it if you found it helpful. If you've decided to purchase Demitrius' training, consider using my affiliate link below. It won't cost you anything more, but I may earn a small commission that'll help me bring more videos like this to you. Finally, please consider subscribing and turning on the channel notification alert so you'll know when a new video is released. Until then, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.